library system demo. Today I'm going to walk you through the main features and functionality of this library management website. This system is designed to help you manage books, author, members, and line in one place. Let's start by adding a new member. Here in the member registration page, I can enter the member's ID, name, address, and the phone number. Okay, okay, we put the address, the phone number, and the imprints. And we click in Add Member. When I hit Add Member, the form submits this information to be saved in our database file, members point text, and this message shows up. We return to home page. Next, let's check out the member list. Here, the display members page uses to save data from each registrations and shows every member in an organized table format. We see each member's ID, name, address, and phone number, and the imprints. This makes it easy to quickly reference information about any library member. We return to the home page. Now let's move on to managing books. Similar to the members, we have a form to add new books by filling out details like this: author, genre, title, publication date, and the number of page. We click here, title, for example, flowers, or I don't know, anything, fantasy, flow. Number, author. We click Add Book. Once a book is saved, we can view it in our book list. We return to the home page and click in View Books. On this page, we see all the books currently available in the library, just like the members page. This table format allows quick and easy access to the books details. Here is our list of books in our library. Okay, now we go to the line. Here we can assign a book to a member by recording the line date. Here, the line date, for example, we put 6. And we return in 1, 4. Click on the line date, the expected return dates, and the ID. For example, ID number 12. And the books is a story of yesterday. We click Add Imprint. Imprint is added successfully. We return to the home page. We click in View Loans here. This page helps us keep track of all active and past loans, showing which books are currently checked out and which members have them. All the information is here: ID, imprint, date, imprint, all the information of the loans. We return to home page. Our system also allows us to add a track author. Here we can enter an author name here, author name, nationality, and birth date. Okay, we put, for example, Sergio, Lucy, nationality American, birth. Okay, put that as part of, and we click add author. Okay, we return to home page and click view authors. Here we have detailed information about each author, making it easier to reference them when adding or managing books. Now, the data of members, books, lines, author, all saved in individual text files. For example, the members text file is where we save all the information about library members. We go to the members file. Every time a new member registers on the website, their details are added to this file in structured format. Each line represents one member and include their ID, name, address, phone number, and list of any current loans they have. When we view the list of members, the system reads from member text and display this information in a user-friendly table format in View Members. In addition, the same thing with books and loans and authors. We go to the author page, for example, authors. This is the list of authors. We go to books. This is a list of books and loans. Okay, this is the list of loans that we have. Now we finished with the demo section. Now we describe the part of the code. We have here in the files, we have 4 forms, author, book, loans, member, and 4 display pages, author, book, the same thing, and we have 4 classes and 4 text file for each form. Okay, we close this and we start with form member. Here we have a form, a code HTML, and we have this PHP code. The form uses the post here. The form uses the post method to submit member information to the form member PHP here. Checks if the form has been submitted here, check if submitted, and then include member PHP to access the member class. This is the method. It's so simple. Then save the member to the members file. This is retrieve the form value, create a new member object, and call save to file to store the information in members text here. This is our members. Now with the form loan, the same thing. We have a form, we check if the form has been submitted, then include line PHP to the line class. Then we use the post method. Then we create a new line object and call save file to store the information in the line point text. And the same thing for all the form pages here. We just change the form, just it and informations. Now with the display pages, we call in the display member method, load the member class, to use the display member method, which reads from member text and generate an HTML table to display members. Here, members, and call this display a list of all registered members, and call the static method display to display the members. And the same thing with loans and books and authors. Now we go to the member PHP page and the loan, the classes pages. Here we have member class represent a member of the library. Each member of the library have a unique member ID, last name, first name, address, phone number, all the information, an array of loans made by the member. Here we have a class constructor to initialize a member with their details. Then we save the member's information to the member's text file. And we have a format, the number data for writing to the file. This is the format of the member, ID, member, last name, first name, all of that. And this is the attribute. Now we have the path to the members file, open file for the writing. Here we open the file for writing the informations, file path, then the file, members text, then open the file in append mode. Then we write data to the file, then close it. Close the file for after writing. Then this is static method to display all registered members in HTML table. Read members, here we path the members file, and then we read members, here split the data read for each member here from member text and displays them in HTML table for viewing data here, and closing the file after reading. Then the same thing with loan PHP, book, author, all the same. Here we have long classes represent the line of the library. Each line have a unique ID, date line, date return, ID member, class construction to initialize a line with their details, and save the line's information with this function, save to file. This is the save to file that we used here in the form member. Here, save to file. Then we have this static function. Okay. Then the same thing with book. All the functions are the same. Save book information with save to file. This function it's convert the members attribute to formatted text and appends into member text. This is what she do. Formatted the text and append it to member member text or books text or lines text or author text file. And we have the statics method, the function here, and that's it. This is the code. We have a lot of pages, but it's functional.